In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Airtable basics. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a base, organizing your data, and collaborating with others. First, sign up and log in. Head to the Airtable website, create your account, verify your email, and log in to reach the dashboard. This is where everything starts. Use an email you check often and keep your login secure. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen, which shows your workspaces, your bases, and any templates you've explored. Take a moment to click around so you know where things live. You'll also see recent activity, which makes it easy to jump back into ongoing projects. Next, create a new base. Click Add a Base, then either start from scratch or pick a template that matches your workflow. Give your base a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates instantly know its purpose. If you're following along, I've placed a link to Airtable at the very top of the description, along with the download link for the app version, so you can access it on the web or on your devices. Inside a base you'll find tables. Think of tables as sheets. Each table has records, which are rows, and fields, which are columns. Tables can be linked together, letting you manage related information without duplicating it. Start adding content by clicking Add Record to create a new row. Choose field types that match the data. Single line text for short labels, long text for notes, attachments for files, checkboxes for yes or no, drop-downs for controlled choices, date fields for scheduling, and formulas to calculate values. Selecting the right field type early helps keep your data clean and consistent. Views are your window into the same data in different formats. Use Grid View for a spreadsheet view, Kanban View to track items by status, Calendar View to visualize deadlines or events, and Gallery View when images matter. Switching views helps you focus on what's important without changing the underlying data. To connect information, link tables using linked records. For example, link a projects table to a clients table so each project clearly shows its associated client. This reduces duplicate entries and keeps updates in sync. As your data grows, sort records to bring priority items to the top, and use filters to focus on what matters, like overdue tasks. Customize field settings for accuracy by marking required fields, setting default values, and converting field types carefully to preserve data. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share to invite teammates and set permissions like Read Only, Editor, or Creator. Finally, explore templates to jumpstart common workflows and tailor them to your needs. That's how to master Airtable basics and start managing your data efficiently. Thanks for watching.